everyone. Today I have cardio workout for you. No equipment is needed for this workout. You can do this at home or from anywhere. The goal is to move through all of these exercises with full intensity and burn a lot of fat and get in shape. So let's start.
We are gonna start with jumping jack. So here we go. 20 seconds of jumping jack. Just warming up our body. Just move your body. Any movement is a good movement. Next workout is high knee. Try to lift your knees in front of your body up to the waist height. Keep the heart rate fast, just like run in place. Next workout is cross jumping jack. It is an advanced level workout, so if it is your first time, then take it nice and easy. Jump, jump, jump. Now scatter. Keep your back flat and your core tight. This is a great workout for your legs. You are going to start feeling it burn outside your legs and your butt. Next workout is touchdown jack. Make sure you are bending your knees and you are not rounding your back. Keep going. I know it's not easy. Now let's go for lunges. Have a good form. Keep your knees behind your toes. Keep your upper body straight with your shoulders back and relaxed and chin up. This is advanced form, so take your time. Next move is hand walkout. Walk straight out with your hands and walk straight back. Walk out to high plank position every time. Keep moving and have a good form. Now let's do burpees. This is basically push-up followed by leap in the air. Really effective exercise. It builds strength and endurance while burning calories. Push your body and keep going. Next workout is squat. Put your arms straight out in front of you, parallel to the ground. Keep your knees behind your toes. Squat down until your hip joint is lower than your knees. Now we will go for squat thrust. It's just like half burpees. Do whatever you can do and don't forget to breathe. Keep going, we are almost done. Next workout is ghost rope. Pretend to hold a skipping rope handle in each hand. Jump and alternatively land on the balls of your feet. Don't let your heels touch the ground during skipping. Breathe regularly. Next move is mountain climber. Engage your core and knees to the chest. It should feel like you are running in place in a plank position. Next workout is butt kick. Get your foot as high as you can and try to touch your butt. Have a good form. Try to keep your abs tight. Breathe out as you kick. Do this as fast as you can. Next workout is twisting mountain climber. Get down into a push-up position. Keep your abs and core tight the entire time. Bring one knee towards the opposite elbow and return to position and repeat. And here we are done with our cardio workouts. Hope you liked it. If you like my video, then please don't forget to share it with your friends, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel.